Imagine a mini tire pump that can be carried around and quickly inflate tires, balls, balloons, and more. It not only has a cool appearance, but its biggest advantage lies in intelligent inflation, stopping, and portability, which can meet people's various inflation needs for outdoor, daily, and cycling. This is SUNGPO cordless electric air pump. It is not only compact in size and easy to carry, but also equipped with a powerful motor and intelligent air pressure detection, which can continuously output stable airflow and easily complete the task of rapid inflation. The highest air pressure can be inflated to 150 psi. Our inflation pump uses a high-power battery with stable range and convenient USB charging. We pay attention to every detail from functionality to convenience. Mini tire pump with one-click operation, easy to get started with. Intelligent inflation, high-definition digital display screen, real-time visualization of air pressure. The multifunctional air nozzle is suitable for various usage scenarios, including mountain biking, road cycling, outdoor activities, and daily life, all in one device. Free outdoor, more comfortable is SUNGPO's original intention in developing this product. At SUNGPO, we have over 1,000 square meters of modern factory buildings and 5 efficient production lines. Every product undergoes strict factory inspections, and our commitment to product quality represents our commitment to our customers. For 14 years, we have focused on the research and manufacturing of outdoor electric products, which have passed multiple international certifications such as CE, FCC, ROHS, UN 38.3, and are popular in markets such as Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. We support OEM/ODM customization and can customize the appearance, packaging, and functionality according to brand needs. Continuous spot supply and support for small batch customization make SUNGPO a high-quality supply source for e-commerce platforms, outdoor retailers, and gift channels. Intelligent inflation and stopping, convenient and fast, with stable quality. Choose SUNGPO inflation pump to make every inflation efficient, comfortable, and convenient. For more information, please visit our website.